A place we've relied on often throughout the pandemic is quickly becoming the go-to place for help once again. Starting this morning, the Alliant Energy Center resumed COVID testing.
It comes not a moment too soon, with case counts as high as ever and hospitalizations at an all-time high. Our Brad Hamilton spoke with public health officials today to try and answer questions we and likely you have about getting a test there. Brad?
Charlotte and Eric, we did find out tonight that they've added another 1,000 appointments to this site for the end of this week. And we also heard from public officials today who believe that the reopening of this site after a 6-month hiatus is going to go a long way in figuring out some of the COVID issues we've had. Public health hoped to not need to use the Alliant Energy Center for COVID testing again, but Ken Van Horn knows the virus is the one that dictates what happens here.
I don't have a crystal ball. I wish I did, but I think that we'll keep this going for several weeks, if not a few months.
It's the first time since last summer the site is open to testing, but this time with a different setup.
Come on in.
To get tested, you need an appointment and you need to walk in.
I know that people really liked drive-through testing, but it is really, really resource intensive. The amount of staff that we needed to conduct a test compared to a appointment-based park and walk-up is dramatic.
Van Horn says the average wait time to get tested after booking an appointment
Still turn back a little bit.
is 1 to 2 days. However, the testing director feels this site will become more and more efficient thanks to the lab public health partnered with.
They hit the ground running today. From the time they got here until the time they were ready to run their first test was under an hour, and they hadn't even seen the site before.
Nick Fink with Accelerated Labs says the accuracy of this test is very good. It takes them between 48 to 72 hours to get results back, despite a speedy process at Alliant.
People are well under 5-minute wait time as long as they register ahead of time. We can get you in and out of the doors, and we will be increasing the volume of testing here over the next couple days.
The goal for Accelerated Lab and Public Health is to have the site increase the total testing capacity in the county by 12% this week.
Get your results back in 24 to 48 hours.
Testing 500 to 750 people a day. Then they want to expand that percentage next week by 25, testing 1,000 people a day. The site is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every single weekday. And to book for this site, you can head to our website, channel3000.com.